what it does not cover. Okay, so it is very comprehensive. We will go very quickly what it does not cover.
So basically, if you are violating a law or your criminal act is there, it is not covered. Then if you are under intoxication or alcohol, then that insurance is there, it will not be covered.
Any act committed in violation of law, ordinance. So for example, government has enacted some law and you enacted in violation of that. For example, any COVID time they have acted some laws and you have acted in that, and then some compensation then it is not covered. Okay, so if it is in direct collision with the law, then this will not be covered.
Exactly. And any procedure which is carried out under general anesthesia, unless performed in a hospital, so that is not covered. Then intentional non-compliance is there for any statutory provision, that will not be covered. Third-party liability will not be covered. Any condition caused by or associated with AIDS is not covered. Arising out of personal injury like libel, slander, false arrest, wrongful eviction, wrongful detention, defamation, and resultant mental injury, anguish or shock, all this is not covered. Infringement of the plans like copyright, patent, trademark, name, or registered design, that is not covered. Liability assumed to be insured by agreement, which are not attached in the absence of such agreement, so that is not covered. Non-compliance in the technical standards, which is commonly observed in the professional practice. There are some bare minimum standards. If that is not followed, or something which is laid by law or official bodies, then it is not covered.
Again, that means, for example, the best is the fire clearance. If not done, then all claim will be like you have to pay.
Loss of pure financial nature, like the loss of goodwill, loss of market, image, that is not covered.
You cannot claim that.
Fines or penalties or punitive or exemplary charges, that is not covered. Professional service rendered by the insurer prior to the retroactive date. Before that date, insurance you have taken, and before that date, retroactive date, that will not be covered. And injury to any personal or other subcontract, employee or apprenticeship insured their contractor and subcontractor, and such injury arises out of the execution of such contract. So basically, your subcontractors or if you outsource the work, their injury is not covered.
Internship and interns and lot of people who are on outsource base, that those people will not be covered. Okay, so these are the many.
These vary from company to company. Some companies are having some of the relief for the points. So every policy should be read in detail before you sign it.
These are generally which are excluded from the insurance, indemnity insurance at least.